Welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry it took so long, but I'm glad you guys are back. Today we're gonna be cooking jumbo Gulf shrimp toast with Chile De Arbol. Let's get right to the ingredients. Of course, we got the French baguette bread, the colossal shrimp, some cilantro, some fresh Italian parsley, Pinot Grigio wine, the chili paste, Mr. Magic. I got some basil and oregano garlic sea salt seasoning, and of course the pink Himalayan. Also some fresh garlic, a half of a onion, lime, butter, and some garlic powder. That's all you need. Real simple ingredients. First thing first, we're gonna clean the vein, and we're gonna butterfly the shrimp as always. You want to make sure you cut down. You don't want to cut all the way through. You can leave the tails on. Tablespoon and a half of olive oil. Tablespoon of Mr. Magic, a tablespoon of oregano and garlic and sea salt seasoning, the pink Himalayan sea salt and the garlic powder. You want to make sure you get a good mixture in. Sometimes the spoon don't always work. You know, you got to put the spoon down and do it with your hands. You see, you want to get a good massage. You want to get all the goodness and all the seasonings all the way in the shrimp. You know, we working with colossal shrimp. You don't want to play around with these shrimp. It costs too much. Cover the shrimp, give it a quick shake, set it aside in the fridge. Get your onion, slice it very thin. Remember, take your time, we ain't in a race, don't chop your fingers off. We're gonna get the garlic. We're gonna slice the garlic thin. I don't know if you guys seen Goodfellas. If you get yourself a razor, you know, you can slice it even thinner. But you want them relatively sliced thin for the garlic. Set it to the side. Get your cilantro, your parsley. Cut the stem off. Get a nice chop. Same with the parsley. Cut the stem off, get yourself a nice chop, set it to the side. Get your French baguette and get yourself a nice cut on the bias. You want it relatively thick because with all the juice and the flavor, it's gonna make it even more heartier. In a grill pan, some olive oil, medium heat. You're gonna get the shrimp, wait for the pan to get kind of hot. You don't want to put these shrimp on a cold pan. You want to make sure that the pan is hot. On each side, you're gonna cook the shrimp for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. You want a nice charness of the shrimp. You don't want to be flipping and flopping the shrimp. Have a little confidence in your hand and just let them sit in the pan. After about 4 to 5 minutes, you're gonna turn them on the other side. And these shrimp is relative, they're kind of big, so you want to make sure that they do cook through. Sometimes you might have to rotate the shrimp depending on how they're cooking. On the butterfly side, you want to make sure that the shrimp cook on that side as well. This is all on medium heat. Look at that. I can just smell that. I know y'all can smell it too. More olive oil, get your French baguette, massage it around the pan, some butter. We're gonna toast this bread, y'all. Put a little butter in the pan, some oregano on the bread, a little sea salt. Set it to the side. We're using the cast iron pan for the onions and the sauce. Sometimes you gotta test your olive oil to see if it's hot enough. Drop in the onions. A little black pepper. This is on medium heat. You want to cook these onions through. Get a nice good saute going. I can smell that. Add in your garlic. Continue with the sauteing. You want to saute the onions for about 6 to 8 minutes. You want to make sure that they're all the way sauteed. Add in your butter. About 4 tablespoons of butter. Continue sauteing. Another tablespoon of butter. A squeeze of a lime. Add in your chili paste. You can use Chile De Arbol, any kind of Thai chili, whatever you like. But this flavor is phenomenal. This ain't your regular toast. I'm giving y'all some secrets, man. I'm giving y'all some gems. Giving y'all some gems. A cup of the wine. For this, we used Pinot Grigio white wine. Any kind of white wine to do, but we use you kind of want a sweet wine. We kind of went with a little bit bitter wine, but it all works well. You want to let the shrimp play in the jacuzzi right now. Just let them sit in the jacuzzi. in 2 more tablespoons of butter. Bring to a boil and then simmer down. Add in your cilantro and parsley. Again, this recipe is relatively easy, very simple, but so delicious. And I'm telling you, this is a game changer right here. This is good for any family function, any kind of game night, hungover meal, anything, appetizer. Look at that shrimp, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. Simple meals, simple instructions. Have some confidence in your hand, and let's change some lives. I want to see everybody make this recipe right here. I'm challenging everybody to make this recipe. Smell it, smell it, smell it. What do we call this, y'all? The goodness. My God. Last but not least, we're gonna get to the plating. Grab your French baguette, get yourself a plate. Put the shrimp over top. My God. Come on. Shrimp toast with Chile De Arbol. Your boy strykerEATS. Everybody can make this recipe. The full recipe link is below. Take it step by step. Take your time. Get comfortable in the kitchen. We doing this for everybody. Look at that. Look at that. I paired this with some white wine, but you can, get some Hennessy. Get yourself some, whatever you drink. Enjoy your day. Cook it for your bae. Cook it for your son, your mom, your sister. Tell everybody come in the house and chill. We on quarantine time. We don't even want to go outside. We eating shrimp toast with Chile De Arbol with strykerEATS. Thank y'all. Please subscribe, like, share, come again. We appreciate all of y'all. One love.